Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sunny Meadow. Today, our favorite rabbit, Benny, is about to embark on an adventure like no other. Benny's been secretly building something and hiding it from his friends. Pip the speedy hummingbird told Benny, "You look like you're dreaming." Squeaky the squirrel and Amelia the lovely butterfly also asked, "What are you dreaming about, Benny?" Amelia, her bright blue wings shimmering, asks Benny if he's hiding something. Benny said, "Yeah, I've been keeping something from you all." Benny waved his paintbrush, excited to share his ocean exploration creation. Squeaky excitedly asks if they can join, and Benny says, "Absolutely." "Wow, that sounds like an awesome adventure. Where's your creation, Benny?" asked Squeaky. Benny pointed to a magnificent creation. It was a vehicle made entirely of candy. It had licorice wheels, a gingerbread body, lollipop steering wheel, and hard candy windows. "We're going to explore the great gummy ocean," Benny announced. "This is our candy cruiser, and it can turn into a submarine." Everyone cheered. Benny and Squeaky sat on a seat, while Amelia perched gently on Benny's hand and Pip zoomed to sit on Squeaky's head. They rolled their sweet ride down to the shore. With the push of a peppermint button, the licorice wheels retracted, and the candy cruiser transformed into the candy submarine. Splash! Into the water they went, diving deep beneath the waves. The cruiser turned into a submarine. The ocean was a dazzling world of wonders. First, they met a pod of playful dolphins who leaped and did flips in the waves right beside them. Deeper down, they found tiny seahorses waltzing in the currents, showing off their graceful dance moves. Then the water grew darker, but it was soon lit up by a bloom of glowing jellyfish, pulsing with soft, beautiful light. It was like a magical lantern festival under the sea. As they journeyed on, they saw crabs serving yummy seaweed snacks, lobsters showing off their cool patterned shells, followed by a group of wise old sea turtles with ornate shells. The turtles swim slowly through a vibrant and colorful coral reef buzzing with life. Benny imagined cruising on a wise old sea turtles with his friends through a vibrant coral reef. Squeaky imagined playing hide and seek with some surprisingly friendly sharks who turned out to be gentle giants. Squids put on a dazzling light show with their ink, and shimmering angelfish swam by in a rainbow of colors. It was the most incredible underwater parade they had ever seen. But then Benny noticed something strange. The water around their feet was getting sticky and sweet. "Oh," said Pip, his tiny wings buzzing with worry. "I think we have a leak." Squeaky pointed a shaky paw. A tiny stream of seawater was trickling in through a seam in the gingerbread hull, slowly melting the candy. The warm ocean water was dissolving their submarine. "We're going to melt," cried Amelia, her blue wings trembling. Just when they started to panic, a friendly face appeared at the window. It was a giant, kind-eyed octopus with 8 long, waving arms. "Hello there," he bubbled. "My name is Octavius. It looks like you're in a bit of a sticky situation." Benny explained their situation. "Our submarine is made of candy, and it's melting." Octavius smiled. "A candy submarine. How delightful. And you're in luck. I happen to be a master candy maker myself, and I know just how to fix this." With a wave of his tentacles, Octavius called for his friends. A team of colorful starfish swam over. "My starfish friends are experts at patching things up," he announced. The starfish quickly got to work, using their sticky undersides to cover the hole. At the same time, Octavius used his amazing tentacles to mix a special, quick-hardening saltwater taffy. He carefully patched the melting seam, reinforcing it so it was stronger than before. In no time, the leak was completely sealed. Benny, Pip, Squeaky, and Amelia let out a big sigh of relief. Thanks, Octavius and your starfish pals. You really saved us. It was our pleasure, Octavius replied. Teamwork makes the dream work, especially in the ocean. With their candy submarine repaired and stronger than ever, Benny and his friends waved goodbye to Octavius and the helpful starfish. They continued their exploration, their hearts full of gratitude for their new ocean friends. What an amazing, sugary submarine adventure it was. Thanks for joining Benny and his friends today. We hope you had a sweet time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures from Sunny Meadow. Bye for now.